So, thank you very much for joining me. I'm with my Sony HX90V. Yeah, I got a pop-up. So not all videos are going to be on my Sony. I've taken my Sony for the reason of I'm heading out to the RC field to ask some questions. And let's see what they can say to me of the advice I'm being given. But I'm not going to film. That's the respect I have for people. Naked parking wherever. Unbelievable, man. I'm not sure what's happening here. They got something over there, so all the cars are here. I gotta go all the way around to the RC field. It is what it is. So I got my exercise. Oh yeah. That's the way I like to ride. Sometimes, not all the time. I gotta go all the way to the very end. You can see where that white bus is at. Even further, you can see the planes just about flying. So off we go, another 10 minutes. I couldn't ask my question because very intimidating. They're just having a good fun. So maybe next time. But over here, all this stuff, all these cars are here for what? What did I do the other video? Recycling. All your paints, oils, everything. A good thing indeed. We all do recycling. My ride time's over. I had a good time riding. Sun's nice and hot. The wind was nice and calm. Saw a jet, propeller, prop plane, and a few others. So I was very happy and pleased with what I saw, but I did not ask my questions, and I should have brought my recycling stuff over. On that note, hope you enjoyed the video, so please rate, comment. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.